Here we come to the elevator at the Anderson-Schaefer building in downtown Bryan, Texas. It's a vintage ESCO from 1959. Oh my gosh, there's trash in here. It's got the old bumper and the door wants to shut fast. They changed the lighting since I last came. But look at all this trash on the floor. They really need to clean that up. But other than that, this thing is a beauty. These are your fixtures. GAL black button. 8A phone. Alright, let's go to 2. Look in the mirror. Hi. Alright, let's go on the 1. It stops pretty hard. Look at the relays. Alright, let's go back down to 1 to end. I love these fixtures. GAL. Ooh, stops so hard. It's really fast for a hydro. Again, watch this. It's got the old rubber bumper. Look at that. I can barely hear the relay. I'll let you listen to it. Excuse the kids so you can't hear it too well. Yep, but you can hear the relays inside there. Anyways, that'll be it.